Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a new page in Notability mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Notability app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, open the existing node. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page. Notability use infinite scrolling, so as you write or draw, it just keep going. But if you want to clear separate pages, here is what to do. Tap the three dots at the top right. After that, tap on Content Manager. Then tap on three dot at the bottom left. Here you can see an option that says Add Page. Tap on that. You can also duplicate, delete or rearrange pages from here. Once you added your page, just tap on it to go back to the normal view. You can continue typing, drawing or importing content to a fresh page, and that's it. Now you know how to add pages in Notability mobile app from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.